So the first app that we're going to use is called the Eraser app, and what this does is basically to erase the background of the photo that you want to use. So I'm going to choose my picture, which is like just a screenshot of the video that I uploaded, and then I'm going to use the biggest width, well 50% of the width for the brush size, and get rid of the main background that's already on the picture that I don't want to be on the final picture. Use whatever width works for you, and there's an undo and redo option at the top of the app. If you make a mistake, you can erase it, or if you make a mistake, you can undo or redo it to your liking. There's a restore option on the app directly beside the erase option. What this allows you to do is to put back some parts of the picture that you accidentally erased. So instead of undoing, you can also try to use the restore option to add back sections of the picture that you might have removed. So for the smaller sides of the picture, I usually decrease the brush size and then try to do the finishing touches to get the picture as pristine and accurate as possible. So once it's to my liking, I move on to the background. Since it has gradient option and they have solid colors, and these are usually any color that you want, you can choose. And then the other option that they have is like a star galaxy type thing. So I'm gonna choose this one, and then I'm going to put the picture in the middle and make it small, because we're gonna have to resize it to what the requirements for the YouTube thumbnail. You can't just use any size. So the next app I'm using is the Thumbnail Maker, and I use this app most of the time to resize the picture to the thumbnail resize requirements that YouTube has, as well as I use this app to add text, and also use it to add clip arts, smileys, whatever you want to add to the picture or to the thumbnail to make it more alive or make it pop or stand out more. You can do that from this app as well. Here I'm adding the text that I want, and you can also change the font, you can change the color, you can change the shape of the text, and sometimes depending on how the text looks on the page, you have to play around with the picture itself to make sure that the text isn't covering the picture. Once you're satisfied with how the text is in relation to the photo, you can add stickers, and you'll find those options right below the picture itself. You can add smileys. There are some of them that are premium, which I don't use because I don't want to pay for them, but there are free ones there that are pretty cool too. So you use these just to make the picture itself stand out a little bit more than it normally would. Now, it's important to note that if you're gonna save the picture normally, it's going to cost you, because that's what these apps do. But to work around that, you do a screenshot and then you just crop the photo and it's yours. You don't have to pay for it, and that's my way of cheating the system so I don't have to pay for stuff. The next app I'm using is the Canva app, and this one is my go-to for everything. I use this for business cards as well, and pretty much anything I want to edit. You use the YouTube channel art template, and I usually use the blank one, and then I'll go to the camera roll and choose the picture that I've already started to edit. What I want to do here now is to add an illustration. These are usually free as well, but most of them are premium. So what I'll do is I'll search for a specific keyword. So here I'm searching for the word here. And then I'll choose from the options that come up to my liking, just to add a little bit more life to the picture, a little bit more, just to dress it up a bit. So once I like the pictures that are there, what I'll do is I'll screenshot that as well, because to save this, if you use a premium item in the edit, then it's gonna charge you to save. So I'll do a screenshot, and once I like it, that's what I use. So that's pretty much how I edit all my thumbnails. I use multiple apps, and that's it. So once you've done that, this is where it's usually saved, in your photos, and it's ready to be uploaded to YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.
Shuffle me shuffle, you're still the queen in the deck. Queen in the deck, queen in the deck, girl, girl.